8 healthy foods to avoid diabetes. If you have diabetes, you need to be careful about what you consume and how much you eat. People with diabetes have high blood sugar levels. Calorie restriction is critical for diabetic treatment. Making smart meal choices, on the other hand, can help you stay within your target blood sugar range. While moderation is necessary for many situations, you may wish to exclude some foods from your diet entirely. Diabetes is a chronic condition that has spread around the globe, affecting both adults and children. Diabetes that is not well controlled can lead to heart disease, kidney disease, blindness, and other problems. These diseases have also been associated with prediabetes. Importantly, eating the incorrect foods can boost blood sugar and insulin levels, as well as cause inflammation, which can raise your disease risk. 8 foods to avoid diabetes. 1. White bread. Anything prepared with white flour instead of whole grains should give you pause. Opting for whole grain bread instead of white bread can provide you with more fiber, which may help you maintain better blood sugar control and reduce your risk of heart disease. 2. Whole milk. A high saturated fat diet can exacerbate insulin resistance in diabetics. Keep whole milk out of the fridge and opt for low-fat or skim non-fat milk instead. Try to avoid other whole milk dairy products like cream, full-fat yogurt, regular cheese, and cream cheese whenever possible, and instead opt for their reduced fat counterparts. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of those high-carb meals, just one medium cooked. Potato has 33 grams of carbohydrates, which may rapidly push you over the edge. 4. Flavored coffee. Coffee has been linked to a number of health benefits, including a lower risk of diabetes. But flavored coffee drinks should be viewed as a liquid dessert rather than a healthy beverage. Studies have shown that your brain does not process liquid and solid foods in the same way, and that when you drink calories, you do not compensate by eating less later, potentially leading to weight gain. Flavored coffee drinks are a liquid dessert rather than a healthy beverage. 5. Fried fruits. Fried foods are bad for your health in general, but if you have type 2 diabetes, you should avoid eating French fries and potato chips. Fried chicken and other deep-fried meals are a no-no, because they soak up a lot of oil and are sometimes breaded, which adds to the calorie count. 6. Dried fruit. When fruit is dried, water is lost, resulting in larger concentrations of these nutrients. Unfortunately, the sugar content increases as well. If you have diabetes, stick to low-sugar fruits like fresh berries or a tiny apple for health advantages while maintaining your blood sugar in the desired range. 7. Sugary foods. Most sugary foods, such as soda, candy, and desserts, contain high amounts of sugar, which is classified as a low-quality carbohydrate because it has little nutritional value and causes a rapid rise in blood sugar. Instead of gulping down a soda or reaching for the cookie jar, the best way to satisfy your craving is to eat some fresh fruit. 8. Fruit juice. Although fruit juice is frequently used as a healthful beverage, its effects on blood sugar are comparable to those of sodas and other sugary beverages. This is true for both unsweetened and sweetened fruit juice. In certain circumstances, fruit juice is even higher in sugar and carbohydrates than soda.